What's up, everyone? Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be demoing a 200-gram cake from Badaboom Fireworks called Blazing Pyro. It is a 16-shot cake, 200 grams. Check the artwork out. It's a fiery dragon right there. Pretty cool. Let's see if we can get a performance. All right, performance. 16 shots of red palms and blue palms with an intense alternating crackling gold pistol and glitter. Check that out. This is an all-vertical cake that we got over there at Badaboom Fireworks in Blakeslee, Pennsylvania. Make sure you check them out. They got some awesome products. Yeah, Badaboom has been pretty good to us. I love doing demos on this product. And yeah, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, like, and everyone, let me know your thoughts in the comment section. What do you guys think about this cake? See you guys soon.